الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهد الله مضل له ومن يضلله فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأن محمدا عبده ورسوله يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تسألون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. Dear brothers and sisters, I just wanted to today talk to you guys about, I just want to give you a short reminder about not giving the shaytawn a chance, to stop you from doing your good deeds. It's basically touching on, like, soon as you think of doing a good deed, just do it. Like, don't even think about it, because as soon as you think about it, that's when the nuts and that's when the shaytan creep in and try to talk you out of it. So it's like, say boom, your alarm ring for Fajr or something or whatever or whatnot, and you sleep. Boom, you hear the alarm. If you think about it instead of just getting up, you feel me, turn off the alarm, hit your wudu or not, you feel me. If you start thinking about it like, should I hit the snooze and get 5 more minutes? Boom, that's how you play yourself, and you start missing out. You know what I mean? So you have to allow yourself a chance to just do the good deeds. So you just do it as soon as you think about it, inshallah ta'ala. Just like another example is like putting money in the zakat box or something. Like say you or the sadaqah box, excuse me. Say when you soon as you first get that thought, you feel me, boom, just drop the dough in there. Cause whether you believe it or not, you feel me, that's the easiest way to get the job done. It's because Allah putting that in you for a reason, is just to do it, you feel me. And then when you end up not doing it, that's when you just let the shaitan talk you out of it. You know what I mean? So inshallah ta'ala, just as soon as you think of it or you get that attention and you have the tawfiq to do that, you feel me, inshallah ta'ala, do your good deed right on the spot. So you don't get a chance, the Satan, a chance to do that wash, and whisper in your ear, you feel me, and talk you out of your good deed. You know what I mean? So inshallah ta'ala, that was just a little short reminder I have for you guys. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barakallahu feek.